We over here at Kroger's. I just grabbed some of these right here. They $2.99. Grabbing one tomato. Let me grab some, grab a bag for this. Hold on. Got these apples over here. But I don't want any apples. I know one apple a day saves a life, you know. But I'm not gonna get one today. I like applesauce mainly. And like if they those baked apples, those be good. I know my grandma used to make those. Sorry you guys, I'm trying to put this tomato in here. Sorry about my finger. And I don't have my tripod with me, which I never really even carry that stuff. So it is what it is. Let's see. Hold on. Might get some salad. All of this stuff within like 15 minutes. I hit the record. Yes, God is good. You guys. What a blessing. This, you guys. It's kind of stacked up a little crazy, but within 15 minutes, you really cannot beat it at all. I was determined to come to Kroger's, you guys. Yes, most definitely. God, it's just amazing. Got me some salad, got the latte, ice cream, and these Stouffer's. Oh yeah, you guys, look, I barely even eat this stuff, but it's $1.49, so why not? Why not? Why not? What a blessing it was. Yes. Y'all better come to Kroger's. Get y'all some stuff. I didn't really get to show you guys all the deals and stuff because, again, it was like within 15 minutes. So, you know, had to do a little grocery shopping. Did get this butter for $3.99. So, it's awesome. All right. $142.10.
Thank you.
All right, thank you. You too. Thanks. Oh, thank you. Oh, save $2. Groceries, you guys. Had to grab a few groceries for the week. Hopefully this stuff might even last for about like a week and a half or so. I don't even be eating that much anymore, so it is what it is, but we are grateful and found a few deals and stuff, so it was amazing to do so. I didn't even really realize that it was like time to go, like the store was about to be closing. For some reason, I always seem to do that, you guys. So, but thanks a lot for watching, sharing, liking, subscribing. Like my little venture, I couldn't even record too much because I was just trying to hurry up and get all my groceries, you guys. And yeah, caught a flat as well, riding on a donut until I get back to the house. Well, actually, gotta go get a new tire, so it is what it is, though. God is good. So I'm getting all my groceries in the car. I just want to thank God that I was able to get to the store and get some groceries, not really realizing that it was like almost time to close. And then that was so funny because why you guys, the law enforcement was bagging my stuff too. He does detail work. So I didn't even notice it. I'm like, until he was like, yeah, and a lot of enforcement bagging your stuff too. I was like, oh, well, thanks. All right. I said, thanks, you guys. So that was just amazing. Some nice people around in that Kroger's anyways. I definitely like them, so I like going to it. Yep. So it is a blessing that all my stuff, well, our stuff, But yeah, I spent like $142, you guys, on this stuff. I did try to grab some little deals, but like I totally like forgot all about the rest of the bills. Truthfully, I wasn't even coming to this store to spend $142. I was just really coming to the store just to spend a few dollars, like $50 or something. And then next thing I know, I'm over here putting all this stuff in the cart. That's why you guys do not come to the store when you are in a rush, because you will most definitely like start picking up other things that you really didn't plan on getting. So, but it was well worth it. I did have to wait on the water because I want to come back, and my cart was like kind of a little too full for me to even get all of those waters. I wanted to get like well, you could get like 5. I had to watch that person in the back, like what the heck. But he walking down there to his car, I guess. Better keep it moving. He don't want these hands. Anyways, yeah, so I'm gonna probably come back to Kroger's and grab some cases of waters, because I think they on sale for like $3.99 or something like that. So, and I'm putting everything in the back seat. I ain't even think about even opening up the bag on the trunk. That's crazy, ain't it? And then, on top of that, why would these fools put 3 juices in one bag? Like, who the hell? Who in the heck are these? Anyhow, we'll just deal with it. I came to the store by myself. Nobody else. Nope, nobody else. Just me. Queen Karate. Anyways, thanks a lot, you guys, for watching, share. Did I already say that? But let me scoot this back anyways. I'll talk to you guys soon. Peace, peace.